do you want to make money on YouTube, but you're too lazy or probably too shy to appear in front of the camera? So if you're a new YouTuber, there's chances that you might have seen this video because you searched on how to make money on YouTube fast. Now I'm going to teach you that step by step on how to make money on YouTube real fast without even making a video. So what this literally means is that YouTube actually pay lazy content makers, people who don't bother to come into face with cameras like this, but still make a lot of money. Now, I am Speedo King. I run 8 different YouTube channels, and in 7 of which I don't show my face but make a lot of money. But you may be wondering, how do you do that? This guy is probably lying, but trust me, I'm gonna teach you how to pay other people to make the videos for you in smaller amounts. And you may be wondering, how do I get people to pay them and then make money? What the fuck is wrong with this cockroach? Sorry, it's a cock. How the fuck am I supposed to? I use the F word. How am I supposed to pay people to make money, like make videos for me so I can make money? Actually, that's why you have me. What's up, guys? I'm Speedo King. Consider subscribing because I make more content about money in YouTube more regularly. So if you want to know how to do that, just subscribe, turn on notification button while we get straight up to the video right now. And guys, our advice, you don't skip any step in this video, because if you do, you're doing yourself more harm than good. Just listen from the beginning till the end, and I have bonus tip for you at the end of this video. Peace. What's up, guys? It's your boy Speedo King. I'm actually here to teach you how to make money on YouTube. Now, if you found this video, it only means you search for how to make money on YouTube fast, and that's what my channel is all about. Make money Speedo. I'm only money minded. I don't post every other thing on this channel. So if you're subscribing to this channel, just be rest assured that I'll be posting videos regularly on how to make money on YouTube, how to get views, how to bother yourself on everything. Now, before, I used to think 6 years ago when I started shooting, I used to think making money on YouTube is all about having a talent first, blah blah, a lot of more difficult stuff. But right now, no. YouTube actually pay lazy people. YouTube actually organize what we call YouTube Partner Program, YPP. Now, for you to be qualified for YPP, you must have 100 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now, you may be thinking, where will I get that from? Trust me, if you apply all the method I'm about to show you in another video, you will get there fast. Now let's go straight up to this video. Now, how do you make money on YouTube? People keep asking. Now, when you qualify and you sign up for YPP, how do you make money on YouTube? People keep asking. Now, when you qualify and you sign up for YPP, YouTube additionally put ads automatically in your video. So I will advise you to make 10 minutes longer video. Why 10? So YouTube can put ads in your video in every 2 minutes of the video. And then if you're making $1 per ad, you can make $6 at the end of the day. And that's cool money for a starter like you. When I used to start, the process of filming and doing everything was so stressful. I did not have a tripod then, so I used to shoot directly from my table, just place a couple books up and then set up my camera and boom, I shoot. But as time goes on, I started investing in little gears and aids and every other thing that helped me shoot this particular video well and nice. Now, why did I say YouTube are paying lazy people? So you can understand that you don't have an excuse. If I ask you for money and you tell me you don't have, it's definitely because you don't have the knowledge about making money on YouTube. Now, you can run a niche channel. What's a niche channel? The word niche means category. Like a niche channel, you definitely don't need to show your face. In fact, I show my face only in this YouTube channel, but I run 8 YouTube channels. Now, the 7 niche channel I run, I don't show my face, but make $100 every month. Now, you may be wondering, this boy is probably lying. No, I'm not. Now, this is how it works. If you're running a niche channel, you just go over some sites that I'm going to leave in the description box below for you. Some sites, you download free image, you can do it yourself, but by the time you start receiving money, it will be stressful to get these things done quickly. So you can pay people on Fiverr. It's a site. You can pay people to do the video for you. All you need to do is just write the script for them. They do the video and do the voice over. That's just it. And then you upload this for just $25. $25 in Nigerian money is 13,500 naira. So imagine you, after you've made $100, you move 25, 13K, and just pay for someone to make a professional video for you and cool thumbnail. Now there is an app called TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is where you put two different thumbnails, and then TubeBuddy will just be exchanging it, showing it to different people, and see the thumbnails that does well, they use it. You understand? Like, this is a thumbnail, this is a thumbnail. Ooh, these two are supposed to attract click-through rate. Click-through rate is how many people are clicking on your video for some reasons. All right. Now, if you have a low click-through rate, you cannot be qualified for YouTube partner program. But if you have a high click-through rate, you can be qualified. Now, you need a Google Ads account. Now, let me explain the work of TubeBuddy. These two things are supposed to make the work easy for you, right? So they advertise the two at once. They keep switching it in the video. The one that attracts customers the most, viewers the most, they leave that one there and they'll put this one down, because this one is bringing you more attractive. Now, if you're like me, I'm a porn lover. I cannot hide that fact that I love porn very well. If you love porn and you've ever viewed a porn website, now I want to ask you a question. Think of it this way: what makes you watch or download this porn to this other porn? Let me use a case study of browser, or Brazza or Brazza or whatever. That site is one of the most powerful sites I have ever seen. Now their thumbnails are so good that once you look at it, you want to watch. Why do I say so? You'll probably see a video of a porn that says stepdaughter and stepson or whatever, but you just see the daughter bending over and then the guy being like, or the mom catching them and be like, oh God, I want to really see what happened in this. Now, why do you choose that video? Because the thumbnail is attractive. The cover photo, let me use that word, is very attractive and it's calling in customers like, hey, the moment they just see it, I must watch this video, is their next mindset. And now, it is very important to watch these videos to the end, because I'm going to give you bonus tips on how I made my first 1,000 subscribers and the mistakes I have gone through doing YouTube for 6 years. Now, I started uploading 6 years ago, but I was struggling. If I have 10 views, I was lucky. The luckiest I could ever get with my channel called Speedo King was 300 viewers, and that 300 viewers was because it was a comedy, and actually that was the highest I got, and views ceased until I just discovered I started trying everything possible until I discovered that YouTube don't actually like contents that are shorter. Why? You're doing yourself more harm than good. You're doing a short content and someone watch half of the short content. That's like nothing to your watch hour. But you're doing a long content of about 12 minutes and someone watch 6%, just half of it. That is a huge watch hour for you. Alright? Now let's go straight to choosing a niche. Now, how I happen to choose my niche is so funny. Trust me. I just went straight to 20 of my friends and told them, bro, this is my phone. There's data in it. Watch videos on YouTube. Just anything goes. Alright, I'm coming. So when I did this for 20 of them, I discovered that 14 of them actually clicked on how to make money on YouTube. So I quickly said to myself, boom, this is a demanding category to work on first. And then the rest, people started checking luxuries, people started checking footballs, and I discovered that gossips are actually making money. So if you're a gossiper and you gossip offline, you're wasting your talent, my brother, my sister. Come online and gossip. Gather gossip around. Davido kill Choma, kill this one, kill that one. People don't even care about anything. They just want to trend gossip and make more money. And that is all what I'm here to teach you. Now you have to do it well. If you must choose a topic, write related topic. How do you do that? Go to vidIQ. I'll leave the name on the comment section below. Go to vidIQ. Make research. What is trending? What keywords do you want to input? You see related ideas on how to make money. Now the demands, the top niche, the top channels in your niche. Now these are what you need to check. Look out. Look the way they title their videos, the way they describe it. All these things matters. Now if you try it in a separate channel, don't give up. I won't guarantee you that posting for 3 days will guarantee you success. No. In fact, I started achieving success after 6 months of constant posting, not just daily, but 2 times a week. 2 times a week. So that was how I got to my first 1,000 subscribers. And you must make, if you choose maybe luxury as your niche, top 10 biggest house in Nigeria or wherever. Now, when you check that channel and you want to make a similar channel, don't even copy that channel. Go to Pixabay, or you go to any stock website. I'll advise you get my WhatsApp number and talk to me personally so we can interact more, and then I let you know how to make these things happen. Go to stock websites and download pictures. Now come add them up in your editor. Any editor goes. If you're using a system, use open shot. If you're using a phone, InShot, anything goes. Action shot, anything. Just get the video done. Do a voiceover. Explain things on what's going on in the video. You don't even have to add your face. These kind of videos go viral on YouTube, and you make more money at the end of the month just by understanding this. Now you may be asking yourself, I don't have a system, I cannot edit with phone. There is an app called Canva. Canva is an app that can help you make attractive thumbnail, and I'm going to make another video on how to make your thumbnail clickable. So after this video, make sure you watch that one. What's up guys, if you have found this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe so I can help you with any matters related to money and YouTube. Alright, so just if you made this video, just comment I subscribe. I'm going to reply you with my WhatsApp phone number, and we get to talk one-on-one personally, and then I give you steady voicing on how to make it happen in your channel. And this is the system. Now if you made it to this video to the end, congratulations. This is my bonus tip. Now this is what you shouldn't do on your YouTube channel. There is a platform on Facebook that do sub for sub. Now I'm going to tell you how that has affected my former channel, Speedo Kings. Now I did sub for sub for about a year, got 80 subbers, and my shoulders was up. I started showing my friends, bro, I got 80 subscribers. Trust me, those 80 subscribers did not stay for 3 months. Why? This is the reason. When you do sub for sub, different categories just sub for you so that you can sub for them, right? Like different niche. Someone who's posting about a car is subbing for someone who's posting about a cat. It doesn't rhyme, it doesn't relate. So after a while, they will just unsubscribe to your channel because they're tired of seeing cats. Trust me, not everybody loves cats, right? And not everybody loves cats. So when they see that your channel is all about cat, it doesn't relate to their car, it doesn't inspire them. They cut you off. So now, after getting 80, I shrink down to 10. Yes, after I have suffered myself and subscribed. That's just a total waste of time. And another thing, you're confusing the YouTube algorithm. Like, YouTube hates prostitutes. Yeah, niche prostitute. You may be wondering, really? Do we have content creators that are prostitutes? Yes. Today you post about car. Tomorrow you post about money. Tomorrow you post about dance. Tomorrow you post about talent. You alone about comedy. You're just mixing everything in one channel. So actually YouTube doesn't even understand where you're a master. So he just frustrates you. That's just the truth. So congratulations. These are my bonus tips. I'll see you at the top. I remain Speedo King, aka Calabar Sarkodie. Boom.